This is an ATV on steroids. It's capable of performing on a commercial application or on a leisure application. Commercial, you got survey, exploration, mining. You have power, search and rescue, which we did a rescue Sunday morning. Actually, we rescued 7 civilians out of the woods. It'll do, I said power, communication. It'll do remote communities, of course, or lodges that cater to hunting groups. And we actually did 7 civilian rescue on Sunday. There was multiple products that tried to rescue the 7 civilians. We had the Argo, snowmobile, helicopter, and there was also a man-made piece of equipment that couldn't go into the civilians. And they called me at 5 in the morning and we got him out. So this will carry up to a ton. It'll deflate and inflate the tires with the exhaust. So depending on the terrain, the application, there's a chart inside the machine with recommended tire pressure, so you could go to the right terrain. Depending if it's water, it's amphibious, so it'll float. It'll climb ice. It'll go muskeg. It'll do boulders. It'll climb a meter high. It'll climb a meter high obstacles, and it has 44.3 horsepower Kubota engine. So it's a remarkable production component. It's addictive. Check us online, sherp.ca or sherpfever.com. Hashtag us, hashtag sherpfever, or go on sherp.ca and you'll find all the information.
So it runs on any service?
Any service, any service. Water, from water, it'll climb back on ice. It'll go on muskeg. It'll do boulders. It'll do snow. 1 meter high, 2 meters. It'll go on snow. It does anything. The only application that this unit doesn't do is fly.
Right. Not in the air.
That's it. No, I can't give you wings. It's not fast enough.
What's the passenger capacity?
The capacity of weight?
No, I mean how many passengers can?
Yes, we could put 6 passengers in the back and 2 in the front. So it'll carry up to 1,000 kgs, a ton. So you could carry for commercial application. You could carry a lot of tools, or like we did the rescue on Sunday, we carried 7 passengers.
So you run on gas?
Diesel fuel.
Diesel fuel.
It burns 2 to 3 liters per hour. And these canisters here, right here, they carry 58 liters. So each tire, it'll equal to 232 liters of fuel. So you could calculate the 45 kilometers an hour with 2 to 3 liters per hour you burn, average. You could do 3,800 kilometers on this whole unit.
3,000.
So science expedition, surveying, exploration, power, communication, this is the right tool.
Okay, so what's the damage? Price tag?
Damage, 135,000 Canadian plus tax.
Okay. So what about warranty?
Warranty, we got 2,000 hours. Good question. 2,000 hours on the Kubota engine, and we have 200 hours on the unit itself.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it's a Canadian design?
It's manufactured in Ukraine, assembled in Canada. Okay. North America, yes. And we are the Ontario dealer for Sherp.
How many units have you sold?
We sold 2. 2, and we've been a dealer for 6 months. Only 6 months. And this one is more likely sold to a customer in Barrie, a developer. North of Barrie.
Is it good on the road?
It's amazing. 45 kilometers an hour. Yeah. That's fast enough.
I mean, it's licensed to run on the normal road.
Yes, it is. It has all the amenities. Yeah. If the town, the small town allows quads or ATVs, some communities allow it. It has signal lights. It has brakes. It has, of course, headlights. It has. All you do is put a license plate, and you could go on the road. But I don't suggest you go on big municipalities. Small communities, it's licensed. You could license to go on the road.
I see. So do we need to take a course to learn how to drive it?
The only course is through me or through my driver George. Yeah, yes, the indoctrination is a 2-hour indoctrination, and then you'll become a professional driver.
Good, thank you.
You should run those too, I guess.
I know.
Sit in the driver's seat. Come on, man.
This is the driver's seat.
Yeah.
It's on the wrong side, huh?
Yeah.
It's like a tank.
There you go.
Last time I drove a tank.